Sorry, excuse my language.
You are good.
Oh.
And exhale out. Good. One more time, we're gonna drop down. And exhale out. Good. Oh. There we go. Good. There it was. Feel that little crunching in there?
Yep.
Oh, goodness. Good. Yeah, same thing here. Good. Yep, hips up and over mine. Good. Lean back. Good. Oh, whew. Keep coming.
Oh, wow.
Breath into your nose and out. Good. Shoulders just loosey-goosey here. Good.
Oh.
And then just kind of like let your shoulder loosey-goosey here and just kind of like let this all go.
Chest relaxed. That is really tight. We're supposed to have more movement than that. So slow deep breath in again. And out. Wow.
Whoa. You hear that?
Oh, that's a good response.
Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna, so right here at L5, that's where we're going to do the adjustment. So big deep breath in and out.
Whoa, that's crazy.
A little harder, and breathe in deep and fall back. Look up.
Wait, look up.
You did perfect. All the way over.
Whoa.
Let your head relax all the way over right there.
Whoa.
We go right back over like that. Deep breath in and blow it out.
Ah.
So bring it around the corner. Wiggle your left big toe a little bit.
Wiggle it?
Yep.
Ooh, I like that. I mean, I like that a lot. Okay.
Yeah, there we go. Okay, and this time I just want you to drop your left shoulder down a little bit.
The art of distraction.
Yeah, it's just a thumb.
Oh my goodness. Can you check my elbows too?
Uma das pessoas é o mais fácil, como ensinar na roda.
Yeah, okay, just breathe through your nose. I want you to wiggle your left big toe, just like that. That wasn't as bad though.
No, it wasn't.
Okay, let me have your neck, just like that. Tilt right, just like that. About my technique and decompression and all that, I'm just gonna let you make your own mind up. And she's so happy she's getting up there. There you go, Ashley. There you go, okay. Well, I'm impressed, and I'm not easily impressed with your results. Renee can tell you, chiropractic and spinal biomechanics and helping people. This is just the best kind of help right here. This is what makes me tick right here. You. There you go. Yeah, that's the other reason crack addicts love her.
And out through your mouth. Good, we'll follow it down here. There's more. In and out. Gonna take a deep breath in through your nose and out through your mouth. Good. Let it all sink in. And out through your mouth. Good. Let it all sink. Let it sink.
Oh, God.
Good. Keep slouching. Good. Now relax your shoulders a little bit. All the way down. And out. Good. Lay on your back. And let it go. Let it go. Let your head go. Let it like drop in like you were just laying in bed at night. Hold your knees together. Hold your knees together. Don't let me pull them up and hold.
Okay. Oh.
And kind of like let your whole spine go loosey-goosey there. Just let this go.
Oh. Ow.
Breathe. Relax. Let this go. Let it go. Okay, squeeze. Relax. Look straight ahead. Let this go. Let your exhale out.
Gotcha. Home run. It's going to be an ASIN, down and out. Gotcha. Easy. Home run. Squeeze. You're doing good, lady. You continue the journey. We're going to talk more about the healing code in the future.
Beautiful. Good, nice.
Oh, shit.
Yeah.
I'm scared on this
I
one.
know, you're doing fine.
Oh, my.
It's kind of like everything. One more. And exhale out, relax. Good. Good.
Whoa.
Yeah. Good. Now relax your shoulders. Good. Relax your head more. Twiddle your thumbs for me. Good.
relax your head into this hand.